We're taking it apart. Show you taking the battery. Get the valet key out. And it goes to show you that they want you to know how to do it. There's an owl right there. There's an owl right there. See that gap right there between the silver and black? Silver and black. Well, I'm going to use this guy, which I have a description of, or link in the description. I'm going to pry right in between the two and prop this guy open. Alright? See? Just like that. And just twist. And it'll pop the back off. And let's get this guy out. Carefully. And then let's pop this guy out. What is it? We don't know. 2032. There you have it. Put him back in. Put him back on. And let's see if this puppy works. Oh, it works. There you have it. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.